Okay, so dear students, as we were doing the topic pair of angles, in that pair of angles we have discussed about adjacent angle, non-adjacent angle. The first concept which we discussed was adjacent angle and non-adjacent angle. In adjacent angle, I told you three things, which I am just quickly revising everything so that you will get the brief note about it. The first thing which I discussed about in adjacent angle is they have a common arm. Then they have a common vertex. And the third is very important topic, that is the common arm should be either side on non-common arms. Okay, this was the third important topic which I told you. And remember, the angles which are not adjacent, they will be called non-adjacent angles. Okay, so there is no particular definition of non-adjacent angle. Non-adjacent angle means just a simple saying, if you can see that if the angle is not adjacent, that is non-adjacent. Okay, now let's move on to complementary angle. Now complementary angles can be adjacent or non-adjacent both. Okay, the main thing is a pair of adjacent or non-adjacent angle whose sum is 90 degree, that is called complementary angles. Remember, complementary angle means you are talking about two angles which will give you the sum 90 degree, is called complementary angle. Okay, now suppose you have an angle 60 degree और आपको इसका complement find करना है. So what will you do? You will just subtract 90 then 60, that 90 minus 60 which will give you 30. मतलब ऐसा कौन सा एंगल है जिसको 60 में ऐड करने के बाद you get 90, that is called complement. ठीक है, कॉम्प्लीमेंट उस एंगल को कहते हैं जो उस एंगल में ऐड होकर के उसको 90 बना देता है या कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल बना देता है. Okay, so complement of that angle you have to just subtract from 90. Now second thing we did it, third thing we did it in our video, that was supplementary angle. Supplementary angle, the same concept like complementary, just a little difference, that it is again a pair of adjacent or non-adjacent angle whose sum is 180 degree this time. Okay, this is 180 degree this time. So remember, supplementary angle is a pair of adjacent or non-adjacent angle whose sum is 180 degree, that is called supplementary angles. Supplementary angle के लिए just say I am giving you example like 130 degree. Okay, 130 degree. And I told you a question that which is the supplement of 130 degree. Now what to do? Just the same procedure. Subtract from 180. So if you subtract 180 minus 150, what will you get it? Or suppose 130 I told, no? So 180 minus 130, you will get it 50 degree. So 50 degree will be the supplement of that particular angle. Okay, that is supplementary angle. Now let's move on to vertically opposite angle. That is the next concept which we studied in that. Vertically opposite angle is the concept where two lines intersect each other in such a way, like I will tell you, you relate with the alphabet X. You relate with the alphabet X. Like two lines cutting each other in such a way that the angles are vertically, which are vertically opposite. They are called vertically opposite angle. Like ऊपर से नीचे वाला, यहाँ से ये वाला. ठीक है? If you turn the figure like this angle will become vertical angle. हाँ? So remember, vertically opposite angles are always equal. Now always remember बेटा, अगर आपने class 7th का lines and angles समझ लिया, तो I am damn sure I am telling you, आप class 9th का lines angle chapter उठाइए और बैठ करके solve कर लीजिए. You will be able to solve each and every question. I am guaranteeing you. Each and every question I am telling you. Class 9th lines and angle and class 7th lines and angle, both are exactly same. Exactly same, I'm telling you. So if you just concentrate on lines and angle chapter of class 7, you will be definitely getting class 9th lines and angles. Okay, the concept are exactly same. Okay, now let's move on to the next concept, that is linear pair. Okay, before I move to linear pair, I'll be discussing some of the things to you. and please reply to me if you know the answers. Okay. Please use your chat box, students, and write it down in the chat box. Some pairs of complementary angles. Some pairs of complementary angles. This is a very important concept which I am discussing right now. Please make a note of it in your mind, or you can write it down also somewhere if you want. Now remember, I told you that please write down some pairs of complementary angles. So I told you this, just have two angles in such a way which will give you the sum 90. किसी ने choose किया है 70 or 20. Somebody has taken 80 and 10. Somebody has taken 85 and 5. Somebody took 45 and 45. Somebody took 60 and 30. Somebody took 50 and 40. I am just taking the random example which were given by you. Okay. These were the examples which were given by you. Okay. Now please see this thoroughly and tell me in the chat box, what do you observe? In complementary angles, the angles which you are taking in all, are they obtuse? Are they acute? Are they like straight angle? Are they right angle? Or these are only acute angles? Please reply in the chat box. All are acute, all are obtuse, all are straight, all are 90-degree or right angle, I can see. Which kind of?
Ma'am, all are acute.
Okay, answer in the chat box, beta, please. Tell me, or one obtuse, one acute. Yeah, one obtuse, one acute, or two are right. Just give me random examples. By observing it, tell me, what do you find? What do you observe here? Absolutely right. I can see your chat box right now here. All are writing that, ma'am, all are acute angles. Absolutely right. You see any example which is written by you in the chat box, because पूरे chat box में answer ही answer दिख रहा है मुझे. So अगर आप अपने खुद के answer judge करो, yeah, you see this six examples I have written here. All are acute. Acute, 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 and acute. Can you please tell me, is it possible to have obtuse angle here? Write it down. Yes or no? If yes, reason. If no, reason. Write it down. Can we have obtuse angle or right angle here? If yes, reason. If no, reason. Answer in the chat box, please. I hope everyone is writing the correct answer. You say that, ma'am, it is not possible. Now you are giving the reason, ma'am. If I will take obtuse angle, because you are knowing obtuse angle means greater than 90. ठीक है, obtuse angle means greater than 90. तो यहाँ पर दो एंगल लेने हैं, तो अगर आपने एक भी अगर 90 से प्लस ले लिया, तो दूसरा वाला 0 भी अगर आप लेते हो, तब भी 90 से ऊपर हो जाएगा सम, है ना? So that means it is not possible to have obtuse angle here. Second thing, I asked, can we have right angle here? Now let's see. अगर आपने right angle लिया, तो एक तो right angle ले लिया, that is 90. If other angle you take 0, then means sum तो हुआ ही नहीं. वहां पर दूसरा एंगल कम से कम 1 तो होगा ही, because you have to take the pair. So pair cannot be 0. Other pair cannot be 0. It should be at least 1 degree. और अगर आपने एक 90 लिया, दूसरा 1 लिया, तो 91. Again sum will exceed 90. So remember, for complementary angles, I am telling you a very important line, note it down somewhere. Complementary angle pair should only contain acute angles. Okay, write it down somewhere as a note that complementary angle should include only the acute angles. Okay, it includes only acute angles. Okay, this is one concept. Okay, so students, we are discussing here supplementary angle pair, and I told you to write some examples of pairs of supplementary angle. Now let's move forward and look at here. I told you when you add two angle, it gives you 180. That is called supplementary. So supplementary के लिए I have given you condition that you think now, can we have two acute giving you the sum 180? You said, ma'am, not possible. I'm telling you the reason. Absolutely right. It is not possible at all to have two acute angle giving you the sum 180. It will always be less than 180. So the first condition is not possible. Two acute angles cannot be supplementary. Okay, the first condition. The second condition, two obtuse can make 180. That is again impossible. The reason behind that, if you take two obtuse angle and give the sum 180, it will always exceed the 180 degree angle. Okay, because if you take simply 191 also, it will give you 182. So it means this condition is also not possible at all. Then I gave you third condition to think upon, that is two right angle can be supplementary. You said yes, absolutely right. It is yes, because right angle means 90 and 90, 90 and 90, which gives you 180 degree. That means it is true. So third condition is true here. Now the last condition, fourth condition, acute plus obtuse. Beta, remember, generally you will have this last example more often, because one acute, one obtuse will always give you here 180 degree. ठीक है, मोस्ट पॉसिबली जितने भी आपको आंसर्स मिलेंगे सप्लीमेंट्री के, उसमें एक एक्यूट रहेगा और एक ऑब्ट्यूज रहेगा. ओके, चलो. Now I am asking one more thing, and please see the figure and tell me. I just want to know, this will be again a kaun banega karodpati question for you all today. I can end up with this today. Suppose it is a straight angle. Straight angle means you are knowing this is 180 degree. Okay? Now supplementary angle, just now we discussed that supplementary angle is a pair of angle which gives you the sum 180. It means if I make the figure like this, दो angles, like इसका नाम है angle 1, इसका नाम है angle 2. So angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent also, and जब इन दोनों को आप join कर रहे हो, you are getting 180 degree as well. ठीक है? You are taking one angle 1, angle 2. When you are joining, you are getting 180 also. It means these angles are supplementary. What do you say? Yes or no? Am I writing correct? Write it down in the chat box. Yes or no? Am I writing correct? There are two adjacent angle. I took it here. Both are joining together and giving you the sum 180. That gives you the definition of supplementary. That gives you the definition of supplementary. So am I right? Absolutely correct. I am absolutely right. This is the absolutely correct figure of supplementary angle. Now, please tell me, आपको पता है अगर मैं इस लाइन को इधर लेके जाऊं या इधर लेके जाऊं तो इससे एंगल वेरिएट करेगा. ठीक है, एंगल वेरिएट करेगा. सो कैन यू टेल मी कि अगर एक सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल हमारे पास है और अगर मैं इसमें एक्यूट, अगर एक एंगल जो है वो आपका एक्यूट है, सो दूसरा वाला क्या होगा? इफ यू हैव अ सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल पेयर, इफ वन एंगल इज एक्यूट, व्हाट विल बी अदर एंगल? How to find it out? Just 180 minus that. So if one is acute, another one will be definitely obtuse angle. And this is the question which is a very often coming question, because it always comes. If you have a pair of supplementary angle and if one angle out of them is acute, what will be other angle? Now I am changing my question. I am changing my question. If one angle is obtuse, if one angle is obtuse, what do you think? What will be the other angle? If one angle is obtuse, then another angle will be what? Acute. Absolutely correct. अगर आपके पास एक सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल का पेयर है और उस सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल के पेयर में से अगर आपके पास एक ऑब्ट्यूज है, तो दूसरा आपका कंफर्म है कि वो एक्यूट ही होगा. नाउ माय थर्ड क्वेश्चन. If you have an angle of supplementary angle and if you have a right angle, what do you say? What will be the other angle? If you have a right angle in a pair of supplementary angle, what do you say? Which angle it will be? Absolutely correct who have written right angle. If one angle is right, other will be definitely right angle. Okay. Now Let's discuss one last concept. Which angle is a complement of itself? ऐसा कौन सा एंगल है जो खुद का कॉम्प्लीमेंट होता है? This is discussed by my video. Which angle is a complement of itself? ऐसा कौन सा एंगल है जिसको उसी में ऐड करो तो आपको 90 डिग्री मिलता है? Absolutely right. It's 45 degree. 45 degree is the angle which is complement of itself. Now my second question, just similar to this, which angle is supplement of itself? Which angle is supplement of itself? ऐसा कौन सा एंगल है जो खुद का सप्लीमेंट है? Absolutely right. It's 90 degree. It's 90 degree angle. Thank you very much, everyone.